Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn off Messenger notification on another account. First of all, open the Messenger application on your mobile phone, whatever mobile phone you're using. So once you open the Messenger application, so the second thing that you need to do is make sure to turn off the notifications of the person, the specific person that you want to mute. Let's say like this is the person that I don't want notifications from. So what you can do is just click on this profile, and after that you will see multiple options like mute, archive. So just click on this mute button, and once you click on mute you will see this option, mute this chat for 15, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours until I change it. Choose the last option, until I change it. So what this will do is basically it will not give you or send you any kind of notifications once you have changed the account. You won't get any kind of notifications on the messenger. So once you do that, make sure to mute all the chats of one account, mute all the people like 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever the people are, mute all of them. Once muted, and make sure to choose this last option on all of them, which is until I change it. Once you mute it, after that, you can just switch the account and you won't get any of the notifications on your messenger from the another account. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix that.